Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. And you know what time it is. It is SheModern Saturday. We are going to be working on my flexi hand today. She has a name now, and it is Harley Marie. She is also sporting a new thumb ring. Nice, bright, and shiny. I love a thumb ring. Not too sure where I put mine at. Oh, yes, I do. Kitchen windowsill. Anyways, we are going to be using some gels today. I am using Momo Polish that I got off of AliExpress. I will do my best to leave the link for this with all my other links down in the description box, so please check that out. Before I jump into this, I want to put some updates out there for some things, for some giveaways that are going on. I currently have one going on, trying to reach my 500 milestone, so there's a giveaway for that, which SheModern is sponsoring. Also, Model Ones is also one of the sponsors. Let me check my notes here. Pumpkin's Nail Station. She is having 2 giveaways. She is trying to reach 700 subscribers. She is at, I believe, 697. She only needs 3 peeps. She also has a flexi hand giveaway going on, so check out her channel. She's got a lot of great videos out there. With 2 giveaways going on, you can't beat that. One of them, you're winning a flexi hand, which is this whole item here. I got mine for my birthday. I was very blessed. But we won't get into that. I'll get choked up. But check out her 2 giveaways, 700 subscriber and her flexi hand giveaway. Check those both out. Also, Princess Nails Diana. She has a giveaway going on. It closes May 11th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. She's got a lot of amazing videos as well. Check her out. These are both very good friends of mine. Diane and I, we hit it right off the rip soon as we met. We are so similar and so much alike as people, as our taste in things. So yeah, they're good friends, they're good women. Check out their channels, check out their giveaways, and subscribe. If you're new here, please subscribe, click that bell for me so you can help me reach my 500 milestone mark. I'm also having, like I said, the giveaway. You get, see, there's 2 U.S. winners, 1 international. The international winner will receive a $50 gift card to SheModern.com for water decals, like said item. The other one is, let's see if I have it handy. Model Ones Polygel Nail Kit. Great product. So that's what I'm giving away. There's a lot of giveaways going on out there. I know there's others and I can't think of them right now. There is one, and I know I'm probably going to mess her name up. I've just recently met her. I've only had the pleasure, I think, of talking maybe 2 seconds worth to her. Diamond Debbie's Glow and Gloss is, I think, her channel name. She's an up-and-coming YouTuber, so check her out. Check out Sassy for me, Sassy Familia, SASSY FAMILIA, I believe. Check her out. She'll be down in my comments. You'll see her. Good morning, Sassy. So we're going to get moving on with my video here. I think I've chattered enough. I've filled you in on some great giveaways. I've given a shout out to a couple people. We had a birthday this past week for Nails of Interest. She's another year younger. So we're going to be using these decals right here. These are the SheModern Vines _1 (2) because they are 2-tone, 2 colors, pink and green. I love these. Love, love, love. This is my first time using these here. As you can see, here are my, oh, I can't put these out yet, but here are the decals. I'm going to be using 2 of them. We've got the gel nail polish on that I'm using today by Momo's. It is called It's a Boy M75. Like I said, link will be down in the description box for this. I'm going to go in with a third coat. We've got a hair. We don't have cats, so I'm not sure where that came from. We're going to go in with the third coat of this. This is a very full bottle. I've only had the pleasure of using, I think, once when I very first ordered it. Make sure you put your coats on thin, ladies. On my thumb, or the thumb of Harley Marie, I put it on a little bit too thick. I know you're not going to be able to tell, but I can. So you want to do your thin coats. This is the third coat for this. It was, first coat was real sheer. Not real sheer, but it wasn't opaque. So yeah, you need to have, I would say 3 coats is good with this. Ouch. Whoa. We're gonna overflood the bottle. The Decals. This is a beautiful blue color, hence It's a Boy. I'm gonna pause, stick this baby in the lamp. I'm gonna cure this, and we will be right back. Listen to me, we'll be right back to see what else we can get into. Alright, we are back. Whoops. Let's remove the phone from the screen. I've put 3 coats of Momo's It's a Boy on. Bring my hand a little bit closer. Whoops, we are going to be putting 2 decals on today. One on the ring finger, one on the index finger. And they're going to stick to me. I think these are really cute. Pink and green, pink and green. Doesn't take a lot of water, but sometimes I just swim them. I don't know if I should place these on with tweezers or with a stamper. Decisions. A little bit of hollow dust there on my mat. I dab these down just a little bit. So, oops. One of them's wetty. Wish I could find my tweezers right quick. Oh, I did. I did. Okay, let's see if I can place this good. There we go. Get a tissue, dab some of the water out. There we go. There's decal number 1. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Too high up. Too high up. Oops. With using gels, you kind of want to be kind of positive where you want to place them. Still going to dab it down with the tissue. Dab some of the water out there. Help press the decal down on the nail. So there we go. Clean up my mess. Put my SheModern palette away. I feel like I'm dropping things. Next, oh, sorry about the bobble. I'm gonna place some little colored little gem rhinestones that I got here. I have got a pink. I got a green over here that I want to use too. So for that, I am going to take my Pro FX sticky base coat. I should just put, let me see, what should I do? Decisions. Ooh, let me pause and I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I have got a hold of my trusty friend, Princess Diana, to find out which I should use. I was going to put a sticky base coat on like this. Then I was going to put the base coat on of a gel. She says no, to go ahead and to use my top coat, so I'm just going to put the gems on, put the top coat on, stick the gems on, stick them in the lamp. Well, I didn't know these were numbered, but yeah, these are 12 different colors. I'm going to use Model 1's steel top, no wipe top coat. Because I think this is a no wipe top coat, if my memory serves me correctly. So I'm going to be using the pink and these green, this pink. Yep. So I'm going to put this on the nail. Get me a pink gem. Okay. Alright. Kinda knew it messing with these. So you say I'm a newbie. Well, there was a whoopsie. I do like this top coat. It's really nice. Goes on nice and smooth. I'll do this one just a tad bit different. Shoot. Sorry I'm taking so long trying to get my gems so that they are flipped the right way. They are flat backs. I guess is what you call them. That's pretty. I like that a lot. What do you think? And I do want to take some up the middle finger. I really do. Tap your nail, even though this is on my flexi hand. I still want to cap it. So let me know down below what you think so far, or what you think of my mani with my little stones, my little gems. There. Yep, I like that. I'm going to top coat the other two nails. But if you are new here, please subscribe. Enter my giveaway that I currently have going on, trying to reach 500 milestone subscribers. Well, it's got a lot on that nail. Trying to take some of that top coat off. Like I was saying, enter my giveaway. Please click subscribe and the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Check out Princess Diana's giveaway, also Pumpkin Snail Station. We all have great giveaways going on. Each of us are offering different items for the giveaways. So yeah, check them out. I'm going to pop this baby in the lamp with my cords. I'm going to cure this for 1 minute. So while that is curing, I want to thank everybody, all 500, or how many do I have so far? I had 484, I believe. I want to thank everybody that's been with me from the start. Everybody who is with me now and that will jump on my journey and continue it with me. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your words of encouragement, your advice, your friendships that I have made along the way. They have meant the world to me. I have met a lot of great women from around this world of ours. Something I didn't ever think was possible, to know somebody, say, in Belgium, Norway, the UK. I've met a lot of great women, a lot. Some from here from the US as well too, don't get me wrong. I've met them from all over the world. And I'm touched by each and every one of you, inspired by some. So that's why I'm having this giveaway, to say thank you. So if you haven't subscribed and you've just started watching this, even if it's just because of the video, please stay. Do not unsubscribe. Stay along with me on my journey. So Harley Marie is finished. Here we do. Here we go. And this is our SheModern Saturday. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day, no matter where you are from in this world, like I said. But just leave me a comment, your thoughts. I'm sorry I'm a little lost here right now in my own thought about the giveaway and my milestone and everything that comes with it, the friendships. But I thank each and every one of you. I don't want to get choked up. But I come from the heart. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.